let's do this and go. Hi guys, it's Paige and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a dorm room haul, which is wild and crazy. I got a bunch of this stuff from Urban Outfitters, Bed Bath & Beyond, the Container Store, Fred Siegel's, like their home section. I think that's pretty much it. So let's just get right into it because I have a ton of stuff. Alright, let's just start with like bedding and stuff like that. So for my duvet cover, I got a DKNY pure white one. I think it's super simple, very soft, and just clean. I am kind of going for like the all white vibe for my dorm, which is very not dorm like. My room is super white, as you guys can tell, and I feel like I'll just feel like homier if everything is mainly white and then I have like little decorations of colors and like little pops of colors. So white duvet cover. Okay, next bedding thing I got is this Euro sham from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's kind of just like a big white pillow and then it has like a nice gray outline. It looks like so super clean and just minimal. Yep, kind of my vibe. It's a vibe. Okay. This stuff's heavy. Next thing are my sheets. Just simple all white sheets. I feel like this is pretty self-explanatory. These are the same sheets I have in my bed and I just kind of wanted to be comfy and like still have the same sheets at home, so I feel like homey and stuff and I feel like used to it. So I got these. Next thing are pillows. So the first pillow I got is from Urban Outfitters. I was just gonna keep it all white and then my mom was like, you can't have everything all white, you have to have like some things. So I got a pillow with cherries on it. Hopefully it'll look good, I don't know, but a cherry pillow from Urban Outfitters. Check. Next pillow I got is this. I should show you guys. It says Home Sweet Apartment, which I thought was really cute, and yeah. It's from Bloomingdale's, and also everything will be linked down below, or I'm going to try and link everything down below so you guys can see. Last pillow I got is this super fluffy one, and it actually smells really bad. I don't know why it smells so bad. It's really weird. I don't know if I can even like wash this. Can you wash these type of pillows? Comment down below. I need help. But yeah, cool pillow. Oh, okay. This is really nice to have just because all the other ones aren't like that comfy. So if I want to lay on my bed and like when it's made and I don't want to take down my bed yet, I could just like get a blanket and lay on this and it'll be like really soft and I'll feel comfy. Okay, next thing is this amazing blanket. It is so soft. It is from Urban Outfitters. Everyone should totally get like a fuzzy blanket because who doesn't love fuzzy blankets? Okay, next things are everything I got for my bathroom. So I've watched every single college video of like what you need going into your freshman year of college, and they all say literally like 1 body towel and 2 face towels, and here I am with like freaking 10 face towels. I am just like a germaphobe and I like washing my face with like a clean towel every single time I wash my face, which is like twice a day. So I have all these towels and there's actually more on the other side of my room, but I'm too embarrassed to show all the towels I got. So hopefully I actually use all these towels. And then like I said, 2 body towels, and yeah. I honestly feel like 2 body towels is like how much you need. If you're going to school, comment down below how many towels you're getting for like when you shower and stuff. Because I feel like I don't think I need more than 2. Like, because I'll wash them and it'll be okay. But yeah, towels, check. So another thing I reluctantly got for my bathroom is this shower caddy. My mom made me get this. I wouldn't have gotten it. So if you like have a choice, don't get it. Like, ugh. This is just like gross looking, like makes me not excited. I don't know, this just holds like all your bathroom stuff, like your shampoo and conditioner. I guess I'm gonna have to use it against my will, but college life. Okay, next thing I got is very exciting. It's a trash can. Pretty self-explanatory. I think it's cute looking for a trash can, as cute as a trash can can be. I don't know. Yeah. Next thing is this insanely heavy tissue holder, which I'm going to be using every night to cry myself to sleep. Just kidding. Not kidding. We're being positive here. Don't worry, Mom and Dad, I'm being positive. As of my decorations, I got this cinema light box, which is from Urban Outfitters. I feel like a lot of people have this, but I think it's cute for like a dorm room, and you could put like cute little sayings on it, and it's just a cute little decoration to have. Okay, next thing I got is this heart neon light, which is also from Urban Outfitters. I think this will look really cute, like hanging on a wall next to my bed or something, or somewhere in my dorm. And even if you don't like the heart, they have so many other ones, like a lit sign, a hello, a banana. They have pretty much everything. So if you want like a cute little neon sign, Urban Outfitters has like really, really cute ones. Okay, so this is one of my favorite things that I've gotten for my dorm. Just take it out to show you guys. It is this clear acrylic lamp, and it's like a touch thing. When you charge it, it goes to like different levels of brightness, which is really, really cool. It goes with like the vibe of my room, kind of, and I think it'll look really cute next to my bed, and yeah. This is from Fred Siegel's. I'll have it linked down below. I also know I saw it on Urban Outfitters too, online, so that'll be linked down below. Yeah, really cute. I love this lamp. You guys should get it if you want. Next thing I got is this little marble jar. I'm planning on using this for my makeup brushes and just something. I don't know. I'll find a place for it. Probably on my desk. I just think it's cute, and it adds like a little something to the room. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond too, if you guys wanted to cop this cute little jar. You may think, when the hell are you going to use a tool chest, Paige? I don't even know. My mom packed this for me, so she thinks that I'll be using a tool chest, and she's usually right, so tool chest. I don't know. Okay, next thing. My Aunt Sam got me some of these cute little goodies for my room, which is really, really sweet of her, so shout out to you. First thing she got me are these office accessory kits. It just comes with like little pins and paper clips. I don't know why I just forgot paper clips. This is really cute. I'll probably put this in my desk. Then she just got me this little journal, which is really, really cute for good notes and stuff. And then command strips, which I also got a lot of other command hooks things, because I know a lot of people say they're really helpful. So if you don't already have command hooks, you should get some. Okay, like I said, command hooks. Got a bunch of different types. Like, I mean, a ton. If you guys need command hooks, hit me up. Okay, this is the second shower caddy that I got in case I really, really hate the other one. I'm going to try this one out first, and if it doesn't work out like my mom says it's not going to work, then I'll do the mesh one. But for now, this is my cuter shower caddy. Okay, so this might seem really, really silly to some people, but I have like a little medical bag that my mom packed me because she's the cutest. Here are all the meds that you could possibly need, like coldies or like Motrin or Advil or Band-Aids. Like, basically, if I'm ever feeling sick, or if anyone in my dorm is ever feeling sick, come hit me up. I got you guys. I think this is going to be super helpful. I'm going to just put it under my bed, and then whenever I get sick, I can just go in here and go and have it, so I don't have to go to the store while I'm sick and get it. Also, I feel pretty cool. Like, I feel like a sophisticated doctor when I carry this. If you guys don't have like any Motrin or Advil, you should totally get some. You definitely don't have to go as hardcore as my mom did, but just like make sure you're stocked up on everything, so if you ever get like a headache or cramps or whatnot, I don't know, you have it. Okay, this is really heavy. Okay, everything from here is from the Container Store. I found the Container Store to be really, really helpful for like desk supplies and just like organizing everything, because I'm a total neat freak. So if you're like me, go to the Container Store. It'll totally help. So this is the first thing I got from the Container Store. It's basically just like a desk organizer, and it expands because I don't know how big my desk is going to be or how tiny it is actually. So yeah, stay organized, kids. So while I was at the Container Store, they had this like felt letterboard, and I know you can get these off Amazon. No, not Amazon. Urban. You could probably get it off Amazon actually. You could probably get all this stuff off Amazon if we're thinking about it. Mind blown. But what I meant was Urban Outfitters. So basically you put like all this little stuff on the back, and you could do cute little sayings. I don't know. I think it's cute and just like a nice little decoration, because I don't want my room to be empty. You feel? Another thing I got is this little desk organizer. Cute, simple, white, awesome, cool, dope. Then I got this little pencil holder. I think it'll be cute on my desk. Then I got these pop-in pens, and highlighters. You could get any types of pens and highlighters. These just were the cutest. Then I got this adorable little notebook, and this one, my best friend Bailey actually got these for me. Shout out to you, B. You're my best friend ever. I think they're really, really cute, and they're just like really good for notes and everything. The last thing I got from the Container Store is this weekly planner thing. I think this will keep me organized, and it's just like nice to write out your days and everything. Then I got this little storage thing. It says it's a file box. I've never used files before, so maybe I will now. I don't know. I think it's cute. I'll put like the notebooks in here or something. Look. Wow. Damn. That is everything I got for my dorm room. I hope this video helped you guys a little bit and you got some like inspo of how you want your dorm room to be, or if you're still in high school and how you want your future dorm room to be. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below, please. Also, make sure to subscribe if you want to see like future college videos, because I'm going to be doing a ton of those, so stay tuned. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.